All right, we're gonna go ahead and start recording here. All right, so I got something in the mail, which I'm really excited about. So much so that you can tell I still have like grease on me from work. Yeah, I haven't even had a chance to do anything about it because I really wanted to dive into this, which I'm gonna make sure I put the box down, face down. Oh, we're gonna have to slide the keyboard out of it. Shoot, you can even still see that I have dirt on my hand. This came in from the same makers of my microphone. It is from FiFine. So we're gonna tear open this packaging without doxing my address. Um, this right here is the FiFine Ample Gaming H9. And this is a gaming headset I reached out to them for to see if they could go ahead and send me it because these are really cool. And I actually have one of my friends, Snowmist, who you'll see in the chat, if if you've ever interacted with her. Anyways, my recording apparently decided that it wanted to stop for some reason. I already went through the entire review on this, which really sucks. But I am super stinking excited about this. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and take a look. One thing that is in the box when you first open it is this FiFine Ample Gaming little brochure. It's great. Shows you how to do things inside of Windows, kind of do some setup and whatnot. Um, really simple brochure, right? Just nice, easy, clean. How FiFine tends to put out their products, just nice and easy to use. So we've got this wonderful headset. What we're gonna do real quick is we're gonna take a look on the back side. It does not say what color it is in this box. White is what's in the box. It talks about the detachable microphone that's here, the adjustable headband and whatnot. Super soft, cozy ear pieces. We have the ample game, as well as it mentions right here that it has a 50 millimeter audio driver. So we've gone down this track already. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and take a look at what we have here. So we're going to open it up, and my set is a white set of headphones. So we've got this little box that's right here. I'm going to go ahead and close real quick. Try to be gentle with this box. I like the packaging that FiFine uses. Very simple packaging here in this scenario. There is a little plastic cover that goes over the USB port that you get. This is really useful. It has a volume up and down. Let's see if I can capture it on camera here. This is for the headphone here. It's kind of hard to adjust and capture it. But it's got the headphone and then it's got the microphone. You have volume down and you have volume up, as well as the 7.1 button for surround sound. This sucker is pretty nice. We're going to go ahead and plug this in to our computer real quick. And I really just wanted to get out, just to get it open and take a look at it. I am literally still covered in grease from working at work. My day job is I work on semis, as well as it has a beautiful little microphone. And this little microphone, we're going to be surprised at. I already know because I already did this once before. But I just wanted to kind of give an unboxing of this, so this way you had an idea. We'll set that package off to the side. We'll set this microphone off to the side here. All right. We'll go ahead and open back up and we'll grab these beautiful headphones. Now, I will say that my favorite thing with these headphones is how soft they are. You have the nice little FiFine logo here in this pleather, and it's got this nice knit that goes along the top edge, as well as this extremely soft. Like I'm barely. It's got a nice firmness to it, right? But it's very soft, very supple, very enjoyable. The plastic is going to be, that lighter weight plastic that we would expect from this price point. But what we're not going to expect from this price point is how amazing the drivers are. I love them. On the inside, you have left, and you have the R for right. These headphones I can wear these for days and probably never get tired. They have left and right on here on either side, plus the wonderful little smiley face that FiFine is known for in their headphone market. We'll go ahead and take this off. We've got this beautiful braided cord. And I do like that they didn't go for a straight up white. They went for more of a gray. So it's not going to, gather, especially as much the dirt that you would gather, especially for me with being, a diesel tech. So being able to come home and just enjoy the headphones is a nice thing. I was playing around with the wires earlier and kind of tugging at them, and I pulled the thing out there. But they sit nice. The nipples sit in there nice, unless you're like me. We do have the vents that are here on the side, as well as if we go in and we take a look here at the headphones here, we also have this nice little vent here as well. So we're gonna get more of that feel from that bass. It's gonna be real nice. I'm gonna go struggle and put these back on, and we'll dive into the drivers in a future video and take a look at the internals. So here we go. Let me put these back on. Probably pause the video because I suck at putting stuff like this back on. Go. All right, and then the last thing I wanted to take a look at is we have the microphone here. This sucker just plugs straight in, which is great because just before I had a conversation with FiFine to have these headphones sent off to me, I was talking with my friends about how I really want a pair of headphones that are nice, high quality enough to where I can enjoy some good gaming, but also have a removable mic. The only thing I would say is I'd like to have like a little nubbin that I can put in here just to protect the port from any debris when the headphone's not in. Yeah, it's just more of a me thing, not necessarily a problem. I do realize I have my snobbish abilities, but regardless, these metal bars here on the side, these are a nice little piece of metal. But it sits on my big head perfectly. I love these. These are comfortable as all hell. I am super excited, especially when it comes down to with brands that I use. Just a nice, good headphone. Um, so yeah, that's where we're at. We're gonna dive into these headphones a little bit later, and get an idea. I'm gonna play with them for a couple of days. I already listened over stuff like Crab Rave, and then did some audio testing with them just to see how their range is. Obviously, it's subject to my hearing and the fact that I don't have a full range of hearing because aforementioned I'm a diesel tech. There's a lot of loud noises that destroy your hearing. So I'm not a audio snob kind of person. And then I did reach out to my audio snob friend to ask him some questions, just to kind of have an idea of like the industry and how audio works. I am going to use these though with my microphone. And tend to be more here. But we will talk about this little microphone in the next video related to this. This is just an unboxing. So we'll go ahead. We'll see you guys in the Rift. Don't be afraid to dive on in.